In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or add a new notebook in Microsoft OneNote. Creating notebooks in OneNote is a powerful way to keep your thoughts, plans, and projects organized. And I'll be walking you through each step, making it an easy and stress-free process. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open the OneNote app on your device. Whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, or any other device, you're likely to find the application installed, as it's part of the Microsoft Office suite. Just look for that familiar purple icon and click it to open. Once you've got OneNote open, navigate your way to My Notebooks. This option is generally located in a sidebar, and clicking it will bring up a list of your existing notebooks, giving you the opportunity to manage them, or, as we're about to do, create a new one. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using your Microsoft account credentials for seamless access to all connected services like OneDrive. Now, let's move on to the next step. Look towards the upper menu bar and click on File. This is going to take you to a new view, which provides a variety of options. Here, you'll be able to manage various aspects of the OneNote application like account settings. But what we're interested in today is the New option. Go ahead and click on New. By doing so, you'll be directed to a page where you'll start the creation process for your new notebook. It's a pretty straightforward page that keeps the operation simple and focused. On this page, you'll see space or a prompt to enter a name for your new notebook. The name you choose will be the main title under which all the sections and pages of your new notebook will reside. Consider something that gives you a clear idea of its contents at a glance. Perhaps the subject it's related to, the project it encompasses, or any specific theme. Type in the name you wish to give to your notebook in the provided space. And just like that, you're all set with a brand new notebook in OneNote. Feel free to start adding sections and pages to it, filling it with notes, drawings, images, or even audio clips. This virtual notebook is as versatile as a real one, offering you endless possibilities for organization and productivity. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Creating a new notebook in OneNote really is that simple and can greatly enhance your productivity and organization. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.